Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's tech news, we are going to hear about the latest arrival of Oneplus phone. Yes, Oneplus had been on the topmost budget for quite a long time. They have introduced the Nord variants where they have introduced some budget phones. When I say budget phones, it's not going to be under 10,000 or something like that. This phone is going to cost you approximately between some figures between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. Yes, correct. They are rolling out a cheaper version of OnePlus Nord. The name for particular device is OnePlus Nord 2 CE Lite 5G. We already have OnePlus Nord 2 CE 5G in the market, and the phone is expected to carry the Snapdragon processor, the 6955 5th generation under the hood, and the phone is going to come out into two different the other one is I believe it is going to be somewhere 8 GB of RAM, and it's going to be 6 GB. So 6 GB 128 or 8 GB 256 GB. This is the storage capacity that you are going to get. Now the phone is packed with 5000 milliamperes of battery with 33 watts fast charging. So come on people, if you want, if your juice is already drained out and you want to use up your device quickly, you can do that. That's an added on advantage. Now the camera configuration. So if you are a selfie lover and you want to get good selfies, don't worry, this phone is going to have or going to be fitted with the 16 megapixels of selfie camera and a rear camera of 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. That's really cool, right? So the operating system which the OnePlus Nord 2 CE Lite 5G is going to have, it is expected to have Android 12, maybe the ColorOS version of OnePlus operating system. Now that is about the phone itself, and I mean it is going to be pretty much good because it is going to have full HD fluid display. So if you are a gamer, you will have smooth display too. So that is about the phone, and the phone is going to have 6.59 inches of full HD display too. So that is about the phone. Now if you are waiting up for the phone, you have to, or you will have to wait till April, because as per some rumors and some leaked information, the company is expected to launch the product somewhere in April. Now that is about the OnePlus latest update. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel.